Douglas Cooling and Heating, serving the Birmingham area for 38 years. 988-3706. That's Douglas.
Hey, I'm James Spann. What a beautiful day today. This is the afternoon Weather Xtreme video, getting set to cruise into the first weekend of October and the coolest air so far this season. Check out the Skycam shots. I dare you to find a cloud in the Alabama sky today, tomorrow, and Sunday. That's the Gadsden Skycam. Yeah, severe clear. Just gorgeous. Go down south to Demopolis. I will be there tomorrow night at the Demopolis Civic Center at that very site where the camera is located for the Miss Christmas on the River pageant. I've been emceeing that event for, I think, 500 years on the first Saturday in October. And up north, there's the Haleyville Skycam. Nice shot of downtown Haleyville up in Winston County on a cloudless, beautiful fall day. Big trough over the east, ridge to the west. And you know what that high amplitude means for us? It's going to turn cool this weekend. And today's cooler. No 80s around here. Birmingham sitting at 75. Mid-70s for Anniston and Tuscaloosa. You have to go down to Montgomery to find low 80s. And tomorrow will be much cooler. And around the nation, up around the Great Lakes, they're sitting in the 40s at 1 o'clock this afternoon. Wow. We're definitely not in summer anymore. And we'll feel a nice dose of that. We'll be down in the 40s both tomorrow and Sunday morning. Rain, forget about it for a while. We'll be dry all weekend. We'll be dry all week next week as one of these nice long October dry spells sets in. Tropical weather, Ophelia and Philippe are out there. We'll take a look at Ophelia. This is a pretty formidable hurricane. Top winds at 115 miles per hour. That's a Category 3, moving north at 12. It should pass well east of Bermuda tomorrow and then skirt the coast of Nova Scotia and then head out to the North Atlantic next week. And Philippe, you can tell this one is clearly being eaten alive there with shear. The top winds at 50 miles per hour. Modeling a little spaghetti look to the old spaghetti plot. Most models move it to the west and then turn it north, and I think that's what's going to happen. Typically, systems at that higher latitude do that. That's pretty much based on climatology. And the trend for the system shows a slow weakening with time. And there's the official track. The Hurricane Center weakens into a tropical depression Monday and Tuesday, then re-strengthens into a tropical storm on Wednesday if it survives. And you can see it's kind of making a curvy path out there, but again, a reasonable chance by midweek it might begin to turn north as it gets caught up in the westerlies. We'll check the 12Z GFS, 7 o'clock tomorrow evening at 500 millibars, and you bet your buddy. That's a nice trough over the east, and down below that, sunny, breezy, and cool. Highs between 67 and 70, a pretty good north wind. We'll start the day in the upper 40s, and Sunday, I'm telling you, Sunday morning is going to be downright cold compared to what it's been like. Both the GFS and the NAM, both models are showing 43 for Birmingham. And that means we'll see 30s for the colder valleys of North Alabama. Goodness. And again, we stay cool. The high Sunday should be in the upper 60s. Monday will start to moderate with highs back in the 70s. Tuesday, upper 70s. And Wednesday, good chance we see low 80s as the slow warm-up continues. Thursday of next week, we're dry. And a week from today, still dry, but we'll go to the next day. This is Saturday, the 8th of October. Pretty good-looking trough, and that's got a cold front with it northwest of the state. And the following day, on Sunday the 9th, that front wants to move in here, and that could be our next chance of rain. So that's a long way out there. We'll check the end of the forecast, October 16th. Deep upper low east of New York City, light northwest flow aloft, and if that's right, things would be quiet. And again, evidence of tropical mischief down there in the Caribbean. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by Monday morning at 7, my video. Brian Peters, the internationally beloved meteorologist. We'll have the updates tomorrow and Sunday. Thanks for watching. Have a great weekend, and God bless.